Want to learn how to create powerful data visualizations using just your phone? You don't need a laptop, fancy software, or coding skills. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to use Excel mobile to turn raw data into meaningful charts step by step. This video will be as short as possible, so let's dive into it. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Chimanwosu and I create content around data analytics. And I create this content mostly for beginners who are trying to find their way around data career. So if you're a beginner, maybe you don't have enough tools. What I mean by enough tools is like maybe you don't have a laptop, you're looking for beginners friendly tutorials. Stay glued to this page and hit the subscribe button. So when I say you can use your phone to start learning data analytics, I was not joking. So here you can see that I've imported my data sets and I will highlight it now. As I highlight it now, I will quickly go down to insert. Just watch it. This is insert. And I will choose charts. Okay, there's formula here. Just watch it. I will come down here and choose charts. And you can see different kinds of charts, column, line, pie, bar chart. You just choose the one you want. Here I chose column and you just see very fast, very quickly. You can tap and hold on it and it will just save these charts for you. So it's just as fast as this, nothing much to do. And now I want to play around it. I just want to check what other charts will look like and to show you that you as well can use other charts and see that you can do data analytics just with your phone. Yes, you heard that, with your phone. You might not be able to do the complex ones, but the little ones, you can do it with your phone. And if you look here, if you look at these charts, you can see that, okay, let me just interpret the chart here now. Each point on the line represents the total sales from one customer for a particular product and month. The orange line shows how total sales varies, and you will notice the spikes. Those are customers with high units sold or expensive products. The flatter areas, that means low volumes or cheaper products. You can see it's just as simple as that. Data visualization is simple. Just import your data sets. And with few clicks, you're good to go. You've already visualized your data. So, and that's it. It's just a quick way, to just show the sales trends using Excel mobile. So this is me doing it all over again, like starting all over for you to see that it is easy. Data visualization with your phone is easy, but when you're dealing with complex data, it might look a bit difficult. Yes, when you're dealing with complex data, not really complex data like large data sets, it might not be as easy as this. If you look here, you can see that my columns are not much, and that is because of the purpose of this video. Here I'm using the line charts. So you can use your phone to start the journey. There is no reason for you to keep waiting. I don't have a laptop, I don't have this, I don't have that. Just have a good and stable internet and you are good to go. So without taking much of your time, that is it. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, like and share to someone. I can leave me your questions in the comment section. Until I see you next time, my name is Chimanwosu. Bye.